Yo, what's up going? What's up, guys? It's DAMON. This spells Damon here. Today we will be opening Evolution, the game. So now we got our knife here, and let's get started here. Garbage. Whew. Okay. Getting on to the next part here. Oh. Here we go. It's inside the box. This is the rulebook, I guess. Yeah, that's the rulebook. So that's good. That's good. This is our little pond, I guess. Watering hole, that's what it is, the watering hole. Let's see, here we have scientific names. All these different things. All these different things here. Interesting. We have little tokens. We got token cards here. Or just tokens in general. We got a whole stack of them. There's all kinds of stuff for this. Let's put that over there. So we got our cards. A bunch of evolution card packs. We got these little blocks here. We got a little dinosaur. Got additional plastic bags, which is nice. We got little pouches. We got whatever these things are. Body size, population, all kinds of stuff they're taking into consideration here. I guess we'll open up one pack of these cards, or both packs, I'm not sure. Let's open up this first one here. No, I tried to throw that away. So yeah, we got foraging, we got hard shell, We got horns. We got intelligence. Got long neck. We got pack hunting. We got scavenger. We got symbiosis. We got warning call. And then let's open up the other deck of cards. God, it's like getting close to midnight over here in Washington right now. As of doing this right now. In the future, it's not going to be midnight, but it's close to it. Alright, so I just got my cards out. We got ambush, burrowing. We got carnivore. We got climbing. We got cooperation. We have defensive herding. We have fat tissue. And we got fertile. Alright, so yeah, that was Evolution the game, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.